Hello, welcome back. Today we'll meet Deborah Szekely and hear her share her 5 life rules for maintaining a healthy body and sharp mind at the age of 102, as well as her secrets to longevity. Born on May 3, 1922, Deborah is renowned for her healthy lifestyle and contributions to the health and wellness field. At 102 years old, she continues to retain her sharp intellect and youthful spirit. Deborah was born in Brooklyn, New York, into a family that valued holistic living. She is an American activist, philanthropist, and author, often referred to as the godmother of the wellness movement. In 1940, she co-founded Rancho La Puerta in Tecate, Baja California, Mexico, with her husband. This resort aimed to promote health and well-being through a connection to nature. Later in 1958, she opened Golden Door, a spa in San Marcos, California, which attracted numerous celebrities and wellness enthusiasts. Deborah's influence extends far beyond her businesses. She is also a philanthropist, an advocate for public health, and a role model for living actively in old age. Now, at 102, Deborah continues to inspire people with her resilience and unwavering passion for life. In this video, let's hear Deborah share 5 key rules for achieving longevity and maintaining a healthy body. You can incorporate these rules into your life to enjoy the same vibrant health as Deborah. Let's dive into the 5 rules. Rule number 1, maintain a healthy morning routine. Deborah begins her day with a healthy morning routine that sets a positive tone and energizes her for the day ahead. According to her, mornings are the best time of the day, filled with the highest energy levels as we are rejuvenated after a night of restful sleep.
Well, it really, I can't believe at any other time. You wake with the birds, you wake with the sun, there's an energy, it's on the up. In the afternoon, some of that energy goes down. So you reap the cumulative energy of everybody else, including the birds. They're waking up in the morning too.
Morning is the starting point of the day for most people. The state of your body during this time directly impacts your emotions, mindset, and mental clarity for the rest of the day. Therefore, starting the morning with positive activities and healthy habits can leave you feeling refreshed, relaxed, and ready to give your best effort throughout the day. A refreshed body enhances memory retention, ultimately boosting work performance. Deborah always begins her day with a sense of refreshment and excitement.
Waking up in the morning and can't wait for the day to begin, it's fun.
Deborah draws positive energy from nature to start her day full of vitality.
It sets the day, but it also, nature sets the day. As the sun rises, the plants, the sap in the plants rise, there's a general energy. And to become aware of that energy and the fact that it's a new day. It's not yesterday, it's not tomorrow, it's a new day. To get some of that excitement,
And this is Deborah's first morning habit upon waking up.
First thing you do when you're not even awake is you wiggle. You move your body and say, "Morning, how are you?" My puppy dog sleeps with me, and he wiggles and he stretches and I stretch, and we have our own routines. But anyhow, first thing is to become aware. And then I breathe deeply 3, 4, 5 times, right from the pit of the stomach all the way up.
Deborah doesn't rush out of bed upon waking. Instead, she takes a moment to sit, breathe deeply, and think about her plans for the day. What she wants to accomplish. According to scientific research, preparing, organizing, and planning tasks for the day not only helps manage schedules effectively, but also prevents feelings of stress and being overwhelmed by multiple responsibilities. Morning is also a time when the mind is fresh and relaxed, enhancing productivity, memory, and the ability to organize information efficiently. Deborah practices gratitude every morning upon waking.
And take that moment to feel blessed. Each of us in our own ways are blessed. And feeling that and being thankful for that blessing.
Start your day with gratitude for the things you have in life. Gratitude is the feeling and attitude of appreciation for the good things you receive. You can express your gratitude through words, actions, or any form that feels natural. Practicing gratitude helps you value what you have and fosters meaningful relationships in your life. Here's a simple way to practice gratitude. Wake up in the morning and list 5 things you are thankful for. For example, I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful to have food to eat every day. I am grateful to have a job. I am grateful for my family who is always by my side. I am grateful to have friends who share the same wavelength as me. When Deborah opens her bedroom window, she says, "Good morning." This serves as a message, a positive signal sent out to the universe. It's similar to practicing the law of attraction. When you send positive signals to the universe, it responds with positivity in return.
Hey, good morning! You're sending out to the ether. It's a good morning, it's a new day.
Practicing mindfulness in the morning is one of the best ways to start your day. Deep breathing helps you focus on the present moment, promoting balanced thoughts and acceptance of reality. This practice provides the motivation to face a busy life, reduces stress and worries, and calms both the mind and body. Rule number 2, physical activity. Deborah believes that movement is as essential as breathing. In her younger years, she practiced Pilates and went to the gym regularly. However, her trainer later advised her to avoid high-intensity workouts due to her physical condition, leading her to switch to walking.
I walk now. In the old days, I did Pilates. I went to the gym, and then later on, in later years, the gym teacher came to me because his gym closed and he continued coming to the house. But I don't have as good a balance, so now it's walking.
Every day, she spends an hour walking around the park near her home with her dog, Charlie.
But I literally see that I walk an hour a day. I'm not as fast, and I don't, I can't count my footsteps as being really getting any measurement, but I spend an hour walking from my home to a park, through the park, back over the park, and back to my home, and that is just a mile.
She believes that movement is life, and stopping movement equates to stopping living. Her secret to longevity and vitality lies in her daily walks, which help her stay active and connected with nature. Walking is a simple yet effective exercise that supports both physical and mental health, especially for the elderly. It is one of the least demanding physical activities. According to Science Alert, walking engages muscles in the arms, chest, back, abdomen, pelvis, and legs. While it requires minimal effort to coordinate these movements, your brain also benefits from the exercise during a stroll. At her wellness resort, she ensures that guests participate in various physical activities such as hiking, yoga, Pilates, and strength training to keep their bodies active and healthy.
So we would, in the morning, first thing in the morning, guests would go up on the hill. We're just talking about 15 to 20 guests.
Right.
They would go up on First Rock, and they would greet the morning sun. So they've had that exercise.
Rancho La Puerta spans approximately 4,000 acres within a wildlife sanctuary. The resort welcomes guests every Saturday and offers daily activities such as yoga, hiking, and sound healing. The sound healing sessions feature instruments producing relaxing and immersive sounds designed to enhance well-being. Numerous studies indicate that physical activities in nature provide both mental and physical health benefits. According to National Geographic, nature positively impacts our psychological and physical well-being in various ways. For instance, the Japanese practice of forest bathing, a slow walk through the forest while breathing in phytoncides, the aromatic compounds from trees, has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce depression, and improve mental health. Rule number 3, the pescatarian diet. Throughout her life, Deborah has paid close attention to her diet. Her vegetarian habits were instilled from a young age, as her family embraced vegetarianism. In fact, her mother served as the vice president of the New York Vegetarian Society.
My mother was vice president of the New York Vegetarian Society. There was enough people, and I fell asleep listening to lectures on health nut things.
Later in life, Deborah transitioned to a pescatarian diet. This dietary approach combines plant-based foods with seafood, offering a balanced, healthy, and nutrient-rich regimen. The pescatarian diet excludes land-based animal products, including poultry, pork, and other meats, while emphasizing the benefits of fish and seafood alongside fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds.
But I do not eat red meat and I do not eat chicken.
The pescatarian diet offers numerous benefits due to its inclusion of wholesome and mild foods, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease, obesity, and other health issues associated with a high-meat diet. Deborah typically eats small portions as it suits her body and overall well-being.
Because I am a small person who eats small portions, yogurt, some whole grain cereal, and bananas. And I have the same breakfast every day, and it's never boring. And it's just some sliced bananas on top of it, which is the top of some whole grain, and some raisins. Make it sweet. I have a sweet.
She usually starts her morning with a healthy breakfast consisting of whole grain cereal, yogurt, and a few bananas. Occasionally, she adds grapes for extra flavor and enjoys a cup of black coffee to stay alert. On busy days, her breakfast might be a slice of bread paired with an egg.
Breakfast is a slice, and because I don't want to gain weight, breakfast is a cup of coffee and a slice of bread. And once in a while, I will have one egg. You know, when I have a particularly busy day or for something, or I didn't have much dinner, I'll have an egg.
She always has a salad and mixes vegetables with cheese for lunch. She prioritizes nutrition over the flavor of the food.
Lunch is always a salad and mixed vegetables with cottage cheese. So for some reason or other, I don't look for excitement in food.
Yeah.
I look for nourishment and what does well.
And dinner is her main meal, featuring healthy vegetarian dishes. The meals for her dinner are prepared by the chefs at the resort.
And dinner is my main meal. I relax at the end of the day, and so and there's so many wonderful vegetarian recipes. People find them in the newspaper. People always find them on the web. But dinner should be a treat. It doesn't have to be a lot. It should be good and it should be healthy.
In addition to her diet, Deborah also takes various supplements to support her health, including multivitamins and brain-specific nutrients. Rule 4. Live each moment fully. Deborah's life is a testament to living life to the fullest. She married her husband at a young age, and together they founded Rancho La Puerta in 1940. Initially a wilderness retreat, it later evolved into a renowned wellness resort. Her dedication to health and a wholesome lifestyle has been the hallmark of her life. Even after her marriage ended, she continued to develop and expand the resort. At the age of 102, Deborah still dedicates 3 days a week to working at Rancho La Puerta. She focuses on living in the present rather than dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. This mindset allows her to live and contribute with passion and energy. Additionally, she enjoys participating in activities with her friends, such as attending concerts and cultural events.
I'm involved in the evenings. I go to the opera and the symphony and concerts and theater, and so I'm always going out in the evening, and then I go with friends, and then I have to write and say thank you for picking me up because I don't drive anymore.
Occasionally, she also joins her guests in enjoying a glass of wine.
Yes, I drink wine. There's many studies that it's good every day. I don't drink wine, but when I have guests, I always have wine. I don't think women alone should drink wine because they may lose the measurement. But when you're having guests, it's very easy and different, and you're really mixing it with food.
Up to now, Rancho La Puerta has been managed by her daughter. However, Deborah still actively participates in the resort's activities. Besides diet and exercise, Deborah believes that her ability to keep learning has contributed significantly to her longevity and mental sharpness. She once said, "When I woke up on the morning of my 100th birthday, I didn't feel any different. I still did the same things as usual. It's part of life, and I know I must do them. It's not a choice." Looking at what she has accomplished and continues to do, it is evident that her lifestyle is an inspiration to us all. Believe in your life and live fully in the present like Deborah, so you can lead a life without regrets. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest content. Thanks for watching.